Here it is, my brand new Callaway Epic driver. There's a problem with it. The ball doesn't go straight. Today we're going to borrow a term from the golf world to describe one of the sales basics, the pre-shot routine. Greetings everyone, welcome to another 5-minute sales training. I have to tell you, I am an excellent golfer. I am a good golfer. My golf game can be described more like 5 hours of landscape redesign.
It looks like I'm a wreck. It's in the hole!
Okay, so I'm not good at golf. In fact, if you want to make me feel really bad, tell me your registered handicap in the comments below. And then you can make me feel good by giving this video a like and a subscribe. So I'm not a great golfer, but I do understand the principle of a pre-shot routine. It is the ritual that golfers go through before every shot to make sure that they are fully prepared. This is what the best golfers in the world do.
Here I'm going to share with you my key or my thoughts on a good pre-shot routine, meaning the things I do just before I hit the shot.
Now that routine is critical because it sets you up for excellence. It is an excellence habit and it ensures that you are fully prepared. Of course, sometimes the pre-shot routine gets a little bit out of hand.
And watch him now. He'll shuffle his feet. He'll twirl a club. He'll fix his cap. Walk in, walk back. Walk in, walk back.
So, you're about to talk to a prospect. Are you ready? Are you in it? Just a few moments of mental preparation will go a long way to enhancing the quality of the conversation that you are about to have. You know, one of the things that I like to do when I'm out and about is I like to spy on salespeople and just get a sense of how mentally prepared they are. I admit I've been known to stand behind a clothing rack at a Nordstrom and just spy on salespeople. You can learn so much without even having a conversation. But mostly I want to say, how prepared are they for that next encounter? Now, if you've never planned out your pre-shot routine, this video is for you. It's time to get strategic.
Strategery.
So let me help you develop your own pre-shot routine. And we want to look at 3 things: positive energy, the expectation to get the sale, and facial posture. It all begins with positive energy. In your pre-shot routine, a major objective here is to make sure that you are as positive as you can be. That doesn't mean you have to be bubbly or giddy or coming out of your shoes. It means you need to bring your best positive energy. So what are you doing during your pre-shot routine to make sure that that positive energy is very, very strong? But then it moves on to the expectation of the sale. In your pre-shot routine, you're thinking, how do I advance this sale to its culmination, to the point where the buyer wants to buy? You want that path in your brain before you begin. And then finally, the third point is to develop a strong, what I call facial posture. It's a lift to the face. That's how we show energy, that people can see us and they can see that person is into this. They want to be here. So now it's time for you to start working on your own personalized pre-shot routine. Write down just a couple of bullet points as to what that looks like and then keep it on your desk or maybe next to your phone. The key here is intentionality and repetition. When we think about intentionality, it means that no one accidentally wins a race. No one accidentally sells anything. You have to be intentional about being your best self. But it also means repetition. That is that you want to make sure that your pre-shot routine is something that you do over and over again every single time. You don't want to greet a customer without being there as your best positive energy self. That pre-shot routine separates you from everything that you were doing and focuses in on what's most important now, the relationship with your new customer. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the 5-Minute Sales Training. And until next time, my friends, learn more to earn more.